Oh, look at this, an unboxing video. Isn't that nice? Oh. Welcome to my ASMR video. Alrighty, let's get this boy open. So, one thing immediately that I absolutely love about this, it's hard to convey on the camera, but when there's something that's inside the box, that when you open up the box, this computer actually lifts out slightly. I'm not sure if you can see that from this angle, but what I can do is I can take the laptop out. I don't really care about this at the moment. And you see this wooden part here? Like the entire platform like raises slightly. There it goes, see that? It just raises up, and that's how you can actually lift the computer up really easily. I am enamored with this box. Like, look, this absolute power move. Look at this absolute power move. Weird flex, but okay. Anyway, okay, yeah, I just wanted to say that. All right, so computers here. This is the I think it's the Asus. Yeah, the Asus ROG Strix. The Asus ROG Strix. My birthday present from my family. We've got. Is this a display adapter? I think so. Either that or a hard drive cable. And some more screws. Gaming PC. Gaming notebook PC, which is good. Hello, I'm Mac, and I'm a PC. We're all PCs. Alright. Right. Warranty card, that's what I want. Okay, so I'm going to keep this in here, that's good. And now I'm going to open up this side. And here's my power cable. Yep, so here's my power cable arrangement. It's a tri-pin one. Tri-pin with this little boy after the amplifier adapter. I can't remember what it's called. Well, yep, cool. So I'm going to need those. And then if we open up this guy over here, what's inside? I can't see. There's nothing. There's nothing? Really? Why is there nothing? Is there supposed to be something there? I mean, what else do I need, right? Is that just structure for the box? Why can I open it if there's not meant to be anything in there? Are these supposed to be in there? Like, is this thing and that thing supposed to be in there? So if that's the case, why wasn't it in there? So I'm just gonna... like that. Okay. Cool. But yeah, that's the box. I absolutely love this friggin' box. What an absolute power move to have it on this box. Okay. And now let's go ahead and go to the laptop. It's facing you at the moment. So let's go ahead and see the bottom. Nice, look at all that air cooling arrangement. It's going to be on my lap and then it's going to heat up my legs and then it's going to overheat and die. That's the way that laptops work. And then, oh, okay, so got to peel off these outside stickers. Probably should have cleaned the table before I did this, but there you go. And then this part has to come out as well. Cool. Oh, it's got like ROG along the back here. It's interesting. Republic of Gamers, that's what ROG stands for. Nice, nice, like the red on the heat sinks in the back there. So that's actually where the fans are, in the back, which is nice. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what this baby looks like. Ooh, where's the keyboard? There we go. Oh, cool, there's a QR code on here. If you want to go ahead and buzz that for me. I don't know what it is. And let's see if it just turns on immediately. Obviously it doesn't, I need to plug it in and actually turn it on that way, so there you go. But yeah, it's looking pretty good at the moment. Let's see how the keyboard feels. It's nice and quiet. That's good shit. And yeah, so the main reason why I have this now, aside from it being my birthday gift from my family and to me, the main reason why I have this is so that I have a subsidiary device that I can render things on when I want to use my desktop PC. So this isn't going to be my main thing from now on. In fact, I'm pretty sure it's about 75% the power of my desktop. so it's not as good, but it doesn't need to be. It just needs to be there for me to be able to say, alright, so laptop, go ahead and render this SFM clip, and then I will, you know, I can use my desktop for whatever I want to use it for. But the laptop here, right now, is here, and it's looking pretty damn good, and I thank my family so much for helping me get this for my birthday, and it's a really awesome birthday gift. But yeah, no, so this is going to be my subsidiary computer device that I can then use as a render farm when I need it to. The only thing I need now is a second hard drive that syncs to my main hard drive, or I could just use it over the network. In that case, that's going to be really good for me. So yeah, that's this baby, and I'm really happy with it so far. Let's go ahead and go upstairs, plug it in, and see what happens when we turn it on. Oh, actually, you know what? I'm going to keep it, because I'm just going to use the table space here, and I'm going to just fucking... There we go, alright? Oh, it even comes with a little cable tie thing. Isn't that nice? Excellent. Good shit, good shit. Righty, so that's the cable. That goes to the converter, adapter, fucking power box. Alright, let's go ahead and peel this plastic off of this boy. There we go. Around the outside, around the outside. Nice, that's that plastic gone. Here it is. AC adapter. It's an adapter. Silly Steve. Alright. And of course this guy has a little cable tie too. Isn't that just adorable? Alrighty. So let's go ahead and get both of these boys plugged in. Okay. Where's the, is it at the back? We've got to plug it in the back, boys. There we go. Okay. Oh, we've got the battery symbol here, which is good news. It's a red light, which I believe, which I believe means it's charging. But let's have a look and see if it turns on. There we go. We've got a red light here. Keyboard's lit up. Ooh, a nice little neon on the outside. That's pretty nice. And it cycles through. Okay, I'm kind of loving this. I don't know why. I was never really good for LEDs, but now I see why people love them so much. It's so pretty. Alrighty. So I'm not sure if it's still powering on, if I have to hit the power on button again. The lights here are flashing, so that's the important part. So let's press the power on button again. And it just turned off, I think. It's gonna explode! Red beeping means it's gonna explode! Let's go ahead and consult the instruction manual. Warning, do not power it off as you're powering on, otherwise you'll permanently kill it. This also voids the warranty. I think I imagine I need to let it charge for a bit. That's possibly why it's not doing anything. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to let it charge for 3 hours, and then I'm going to see what happens when I turn it back on after that 3 hours. If the display doesn't work, I'm going to be quite pissed, but I'm going to be okay with it. The only issue is that the store that I bought it from closes in 2 hours, so that's a bit of an issue, but I'll see what happens if I can try and get it back on Monday, because they don't open on Sunday, if this doesn't actually work the way I want it to. I mean, you know, the way I want it to being it actually turning on. So it's going to be a bit of an issue, but I'm going to have to sort it out later. But for now, that's going to be the end of this video at the moment. I'll check back with you in three hours to see what happens when this baby is actually charged for that long. So I'll see you in a bit. Well, welcome to the desk. And this baby's been charging for at least 3 or 4 hours now. And let's go ahead and see if the screen actually turns on the way it should. Alright, let's go ahead and see if it turns on. The The LEDs on the bottom are wholly unnecessary, but I love every second of them. Okay, so you can see that the screen actually does flicker on slightly. Sad news for Steve. Sad news for Steve. Alrighty, well, I'll have to bring this in on Monday and see what's wrong with it. So, yeah, I'm a sad panda. Sad little kookaburra. I'm a sad kookaburra. There'd be no laughing from me today, unfortunately. And yeah, I guess I'll just have to go into the store and say, hey, shit's broke, which is frustrating to me, but hey, you know, things happen, and I'll just have to see how it goes. So, I just returned it to the UMart store, as you can see. I'm not sure if you can see past the car, but there it is. I just returned it. And they should be able to get me a replacement. The only issue is that the store didn't actually have any in stock, and so they've already placed purchase orders to get new ones, but they should be arriving within either this week or next week, so we'll see how this goes. Alrighty, yeah, but that's that, and I'll update you when something happens, I guess. So, successfully a new day, and I just got a new PC. I just came back from UMart and grabbed the replacement that they gave me, and I've already opened it. I opened it up at UMart, and just to make sure that it worked, and it does. So let me just grab this out real quick. Yes, I put it back in the plastic. Grab it out real quick, and of course grab the charging cable. Okay, let's go ahead and plug that boy in. Oh, actually, wait. Yeah, that's plugged in. Right. Okay, I need to get this off. Good old plastic. And I need to turn this boy around. Alrighty, now from memory, I believe the charging port is about here. There it is. Good. Okay, plug it in. Alrighty. We've got battery light, which I'm not sure if you can see from here, but it's good. Let's go ahead and let's hope it turns on for a second time. Excellent. So we've got the screen, and we've got the language here, which we can select, and it's working now, which is absolutely fantastic. Alrighty, so.
Hi there, I'm Cortana.
So, that's that good, and we've got that ROG in the background. I'm going to go ahead and open up my personalization, themes and related settings, I believe. And we're going to go ahead and switch this to colors. We're going to go ahead and choose dark, because that is what all programs should use. There we go. Nice. Dark colors. And I'm going to use red as well, because I like that. Wait, does it change everything to red? Or does it just change the accents to red? Yeah, accent color. Yeah, red. Nice. Good-o. Excellent. I'm really happy with this at the moment. And yeah, that's good stuff. Alrighty. Thank you for watching this unboxing video of the ROG Strix. And I'm happy to let Strixie help me out with any rendering that I need and any animating on the go that I need to do. So I'm really excited to see the potential of what I can get up to with Strixie, and I'm glad she's in my life now. So yes, thank you to my family for buying this, helping me buy this, my birthday present, and I also contributed a lot to it. But yeah, so thanks to my family for sponsoring this to me, and yeah, I hope I get up to a lot of stuff with this girl. I really appreciate it. So yeah, alrighty. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. But for now, this is Quillo signing off. Goodbye and good luck. Goodbye and good luck. I don't exactly know how to do that with only hands. So anyway, bye.